how to cancel an Uber Eats order. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel an Uber Eats order. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the orders icon which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the order section. Now here in this section, simply find the active order that you want to cancel, and there it should say something like preparing or order confirmed. So just tap on it to open the order details. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on cancel order. And if you don't see this option, the restaurant may have already started preparing the food and the cancellation may no longer be available. So here Uber Eats will ask you to confirm, and you may also see information about refund eligibility. So if you are still early in the process, you'll usually get a full refund. And once you confirm, the order will be cancelled and you will get a notification of the confirmation. And that's it. That's how you can cancel an order on Uber Eats. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.